My name is the Hardhead Woody. Today we're going to be doing a nature vlog. This is from the 80s, so I hope y'all don't mind the quality. This is from the 80s. As you can tell, it's really relaxing once you get used to this nice sounds, these nice trees and stuff. Don't mind the quality. It's a little bit fuzzy, but I like that. That's what makes it more woody. As you can tell, those are my flowers right there. Some of my favorites. Lilacs or something. I don't remember. Anyway, just a nice early morning walk. ASMR, pretty much. To hear that? Man, what beautiful sounds is that? Look at them flowers, too. Ooh, if I say so myself,